Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two of this drop shadow. I started thinking I should have told a little bit more about it, because after you do a drop shadow, you can change a lot of things. Like we changed the intensity and angle, but you can change everything in this toolbar. Your property bar comes up with different things, and you can change the feather direction or make this is a feather, so that's pretty pronounced. Let's make it a little bit larger so you can kind of see it. It's fuzzy. You can make it less fuzzy, or you can make it really fuzzy, make it look more like a shadow. I'm normally just do this for laser engravings, and I don't think you'd ever want to do that, whether it would really even work. But there's a lot you can do with it. You can change a lot of things, like we just changed the darkness. I haven't got into multiply and divide and lighter and all this soft light, but that would really be more for colors and stuff. But you can change the direction of the feather, and there's a lot you can do with it. You can make it go to the middle, like straight down. And you could still change your slide bar and make it work like that. That's a pretty cool effect. And make it less. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.